Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and this office chair here is going to be the next best seat in your household, making anyone who sits in it feel like an executive. Honestly, it's been such a great chair for our whole family. My husband is 6'2", and this chair is built with big and tall people in mind. This is an office chair that's actually supportive and doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. This one is rated for up to 400 pounds, and you can really feel how sturdy it is as soon as you take it out of the box. I'm smaller at 5'4", and I wasn't sure that it would be a good fit for me, but it totally is. The seat is deep and super cushioned, but it still feels supportive. And the backrest, it's actually tall, but the way it's shaped, it fits both of us really well. I use it when I'm working at the desk or just reading, and it's honestly just as comfortable for me. Our kids really love it too. They think the footrest is the coolest thing ever. It slides out and it lets you stretch your legs, and we've all taken turns using it just to relax. It even reclines, which we didn't expect in an office chair. It leans back really smoothly and still feels super stable. It only took me about 25 minutes to put it together, and I felt that the instructions were really easy to read. I definitely recommend it, especially for families who have a shared workspace. It's built well, it's strong, and so comfortable. Totally worth it, and that is my point of view.